Okay, in the previous I had shown you how to create a stock. So again I am opening the tally to show how go down etc. can be created. So if you want, I can show you another stock item creation. See, I just showed you, this was not that audio was not coming, so let me show you stock item alteration. Here suppose if I want to make any alteration, if I make pencils, so that is also one alteration. Next, under is primary, unit is pieces. You can create a unit from here by pressing Alt C, but that because I've already created, so it is showing in the option as under unit, so I'm selecting that and clicking enter. GST applicable, yes. Set alter GST details, I can make the necessary changes from here, like adding the GSTN code, HSN code, etc. So with that I'm going to just show you how you can make the necessary changes. Set alter GST details, I will just make it yes first. So this option opens. Suppose you cannot see the screen, then you will press F12 and make allow HSN or SSC details. Click it and make it yes. If you make it yes, then all the details of that stock creation page of GST page will be shown. Remaining options do not make it yes. So description stationery, suppose I want any spelling changes here, that also I can do. If I write stationery, whatever changes you want, you can make it here. I have entered as 9609, yes. Calculation type on value, okay. Taxability, you will choose the taxable option, as because I am doing the alteration screen is not showing, so automatically it was selected previously, so that is why this had skipped and come to here, this option. Integrated tax 18 means when we calculate this tax for any purchase order or sales order, this will automatically get bifurcated or divided into 9% as CGST and 9% as SGST. Accept, applicable from, my company creation was 1 April 2021, so it is showing applicability. Okay, codes. Quantity 100 as given in the assignment 1. So 100. Here I did not have a location. The default location is main location, so I will choose main location. You can, if you want, you can create another location. So here it is showing at the right hand side the location name Kona, which I have created. I will show you how to create a location. Quantity 100, rate 10, amount it will calculate on its own. Accept. So this is stock item alteration. Now suppose I want to create a go down. How do I create a go down, or how can I create units of measure? First let me show you creation of go down. Creation of go down, see how many go downs I have. Let me first see display. We have Kona and we have default main location. So I have created the Kona go down. So now let me create another go down. Create, this is the go down creation. We require go downs to store the items in a particular place. That is why we need go downs. So go downs is, now suppose if I write Hazra under primary, use for, we are not doing any changes here. Keep it, what is default is showing, keep that as it is. Come till the end and press accept. So once you do accept, your go down is created and saved. Let me check display. So 3 go downs have been created. Main location is the system one, and Hazra and Kona did go down I have created. So this is the option for pencil and the options for go downs which we might use it. Now let me go again to stock items. Color books, it was nil. Let me show you once again the nil option. primary unit pieces, applicable, set alter GS details, yes, stationery, HSN codes. This is the unique nomenclature we follow. So every product item will have some HSN code. We are entering the HSN code on value. Under taxable, we have option exempt, nil rated, taxable. As it is mentioned, color books are nil, so we choose the option nil rated. Now let's come back to quantity. It is 200 pieces. We store it, all we are storing in main location, so we are storing here also again in main location. Quantity 200, rate 100, total amount it is calculating by the system, it is getting calculated. Next line, when we press enter, the accept option comes. We now press enter to accept. So this is how we create the stock items. We alter the stock items. Now let me go back, escape. Now let me show you units of measurement. That means if you want to create any unit, how you can create. Instead of online creation, we can also do the primary option of creating. Now what are the options we have of units? We have bottle and we have pieces. Now I want to create a unit called number. I am again showing you to unit creation, simple, symbol numbers, formal name numbers, unit quantity. This I will choose whatever suits here. From that list I will choose the option NOS-numbers. Number of decimal places 0, because we are not breaking anything and changing, so decimal places should remain 0. Accept, yes. So we have accepted this way. So my unit creation of numbers is also done. So right now in accounts info, we have created ledgers. Let me see display. We have created all these as ledgers. Now all these Vishal stores, etc., all these things from your assignment only we have created, but I have not created all. So let's go and check the balance sheet. My balance sheet will not tally because some ledgers I have not created as yet. So let me check the balance sheet. Reports, balance sheet. Now here balance sheet, it will just tally and make it 60,000. Press Alt F1, it will show you a detailed report. But right now all these are only mentioned. We have not gone into such details. So it is only showing this much. Difference in opening balance is 500. So it is showing as 500. Now let's go to display, trial balance. So trial balance is also shown in this way. Okay. So whatever ledger heads you have to create and post them under proper listings. Then only you can find your balance sheet alright. So I's capital, B's capital we did not create. You will create, oh, B's capital I created, right? Cash, furniture, machinery I created, outstanding rent payable, all this. Now there is a difference in opening balance of 500 rupees. So there is some mismatch in the figure. So that it will accept as difference in opening balance. But be careful, every time you make a mistake, you will assume that it is correct. Don't do that, because you have to see whether you have posted all the ledgers properly under proper heads or not. That has to be seen. Like this one, capital account. Yes, it is correct. I told you ledger name is not very important as with the group listing, because that is very important. If I write my name MDN, I can put in the capital account. So MDN is only when we make a ledger name relevant, so that we can understand what head it should come under. That is the main thing. Under part, that is a list of groups where you are putting, this is very important. So by this we finish this assignment. So in this we have learned first assignment, how to create a company, what are the company details, company features activation, how to create ledger, how to create parties, their bill details, how to create stock, how to enter the GST details, how to alter stock, how to create go down, how to create units, how to check balance sheet, how to create trial balance. So by this we finish all the relevant things which are given in your assignment number 1.